When God was creating heaven, this was a part of it. All right, guys. Baby's making me a stuffed tomato. So she cut the top off, and now she's going to scrape out the inside of the tomato. She's going to place it in the bullet, because the inside of the tomato, we're going to use it for sauce. So she's going to go ahead and get that scraped out all good and proper while she put the inside of the tomato in the bullet. So babe, I've carved out all the tomato. So she has space enough to stuff all these ingredients that she have. She's gonna go ahead and she's gonna cut up the spaghetti because the spaghetti is gonna be a part of our tomato stuffings.
No?
So she's gonna use the scissors and cut the spaghetti into the tomato. So it's gonna take her a little time. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video right. Cut up some spaghetti in the tomato in the bottom. Then she's gonna go ahead. Like I told you, we're gonna bullet that out for the sauce. She's gonna add some mushroom, some broccoli, shrimp, this is basil and parsley mixed together, and this is some green onion, and then we're gonna cut the video right here. So we're back here, babe. I have the tomato real stuffed up. She's gonna place it in the baking tin. This is the sauce, the stuffing that she got from inside. We blend it up. We add a little bit of sugar because I don't like the sauce without sugar. Don't forget your cover, baby. Yeah. She's gonna go ahead and place back the cover on top of the tomato. Then she's gonna pour the saucy sauce all over this bad boy. Ooh, let's get a close up of this one. My mouth is already running water. All right, yeah, buddy. I like it. We'll be back. So this is some of the spaghetti that babe saved over. She's gonna go ahead and place it around the spaghetti. Look at this shit. She's gonna place it around the spaghetti because she already cut up some in the bottom. Yeah. Let's get a close up. You can't see the tomato, I know, because it's covered with sauce. Can you imagine when you eat this? You have all your shrimp, your mushroom, your broccoli, your parsley, basil. Sorry, my bad. I messed up. Oh, both. Okay, you have both. You have some breadcrumbs. You have some cheese and you have some parmesan. Could you imagine eating this? Now she's gonna go ahead and put some cheese on the top. Now, guys, if I could only tell you, if you could see my face with this dish, I cannot wait to eat this. So she's also preheating the oven right now because she's gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. She's also having some extra breadcrumbs for her baby. That's what I'm talking about. Listen, love don't cause a thing but breadcrumbs. So we'll be back and sprinkle. This is some basil and parsley. She's not gonna sprinkle too much because she wants to sprinkle some when it's finished. Look at this, guys. Listen to me. When God was creating heaven, this was a part of it. Nobody know but me and babe. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Now, baby's getting oven prep. She's gonna sprinkle some olive oil over this thing here. Yeah. Now, guys, tell me something. Tell me if my baby could work in a restaurant or what. No, don't say or what. I think she can work in a restaurant. She was preheating the oven. She's gonna go ahead and put this in the oven right now. She have it at 350. I don't know how long she's gonna give it, but we're gonna see. Right now she have it on boil, so all the ingredients can get sweet up, nice up. Look, guys, let's take a closer look at this. Look at this. Yeah, that's what's going on over here. We'll be back. So guys, it's still baking. And while I'm a little kid looking at it because I can't wait to taste this. Now guys, don't forget this thing is stuffed with, you have spaghetti in the bottom. She cut up the spaghetti real small. She put it in the bottom. You have breadcrumbs. You have cheese. You have Parmesan cheese. You have broccoli. You have parsley, basil. You have, what else you put in this? This mushroom, shrimp, sauce. Look at this. All right, guys, we'll be back. Just take a look. I'm gonna be quiet while you take a look at this. I know you can see me in babe socks, but it's okay. It's fine. So, one second. Guys, all right, it's bubbling a little bit, so we're getting ready to take it out. We're gonna give it 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Look at this. I'll be back. Hey guys, look at this. This is the finishing touch. We just took it out of the oven. No, don't forget, I have to retell you, it's tough with. Baby done put spaghetti in the bottom. She put some broccoli, some shrimp, basil, parsley, a little bit of seasoning on the top, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, uh, regular cheese is in it. Guys, I'm about to taste this and let you know my thoughts. Now the sauce is from the tomato that she to take the tomato from inside of the tomato. She bulleted it, put a little bit of sugar, and this is the end result. We're about to taste this. Let me be quiet. We're about to taste it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut it in right now just to see. Oh my god, if you could only smell this. I'm gonna pry it open so you could see what's going on in the middle there. If you've seen all the stuffing in this tomato, I'm gonna take a bite out of this and I'm gonna mix it with everything that I possibly can mix it to put it in my mouth. No, my mouth isn't that big. So if you could see the shrimp, the broccoli, parsley, basil, and I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. I'm gonna round it up, and again, you guys see that? And I'm gonna go ahead. You're gonna know when I taste it. If I say, it's good. If I say, mmm, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, this tastes so good. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Look at this. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and partake in this meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you make it this far in the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. This is a different kind of stuff. Tomato. We put the stuffing in the tomato. Thank you for watching, guys.